Hi guys, it's Bro. It's picking time. This is A minor and C with a little addition or subtraction actually on the A minor. Real simple, guys. Not going to make it too tricky today as far as the chord progression. It is an A minor, and then I just lift up everything but the ring finger. And I'm not even sure what that chord is. It kind of depends on, I guess, where you start strumming from. But it doesn't really matter messing around. And then I go into the C, regular old C. We're going to get into the quad view here. So we got this A minor. I'm strumming from the A string, if I can help it. And then I lift up to here. And you can do this, you can do this, you can do that, you can do the whole thing. It doesn't really matter what it is. Just make it sound good, you know. And then we go to C. Now I can tell you that this is an A note that I'm leaving on here. So if I start with my A, it's some sort of an A note, or A chord, I should say. So if I've got an A minor, it follows a set of rules that I won't get into right now. And then if I just lift this up, it's more of an airy, kind of ethereal sound. But I would say that's another A chord, okay? Because I'm starting from an A. I got the octave here. Sounds pretty good. So we're gonna go to C after that. The strumming pattern is down, 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 down to C, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, lift. C, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 is actually 2 beats. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then I go da 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 da. Down, up, down, down. Stop. Stop with the hand on the edge part of the, whatever you call it, that part of your hand. I don't know. This part of your hand. The edge. And then da 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 down. So that's down, up, down, down. Stop. Down, up, down. Stop. So down, up, down, down. Down, up, down. And it's a real quick stop. And that might just be the skill that you learned today. Make sure you're stopping them all. Don't do like that. Don't do that. It's got to be a real stop. And don't do this. That's not good either. I can't even do it. It just doesn't make any sense to me at all. But whatever. If your intention, I see people trying to do this. It's a rotation that might feel normal for you. Don't do it. Do not do it. Do this. So that way your pick is ready to go. Okay? And that's it. Okay, guys? So practice that up. It's just a simple chord progression. It's just about getting behind the guitar. That's why I didn't spend a whole lot of time going into why a chord is named a different way. That stuff slows you down. If I had to stop right then and go to the computer and look it up or go to a board and try to figure it out, I'm not playing. That's fine. That's what it is. Now, if I really, really want to learn it, then yeah, I'll go learn it and whatever. It'll be awesome to know what that chord is. But the reality is, I don't need to know it to be able to keep playing. Right? I've made the chord shape. I like the name of the chord. I like the sound of the chord. And I'm going to keep it. And I'm not going to stop what I'm doing to go to the computer and figure out what it is. Later. All good later. But right now, we're going to just keep on playing, okay? You guys keep playing. Have fun. Post, subscribe. Share this with your friends. Tell me what works and what doesn't. And I'll see you guys soon.